Hello, everyone. We're going to continue our discussion of the severance damages concept and talk about a term called uneconomic remnant. The uneconomic remnant is the portion of property that's left over after the condemning authority has acquired property from the owner, where that piece of property that's left doesn't really have the ability to be developed all by itself. In that situation, the property owner kind of has a little bit of an option, if you will. One option is obviously, and it may be presented by the condemning authority, is they will offer to buy that remnant from the owner at whatever the price is. The owner does not need to sell that parcel, even though it might seem obvious that they should. There may be reasons they do not want to. It's not necessary for them to sell that parcel in order to be able to recover the full amount of damages that are justified for the taking. In the situation, if that uneconomic remnant really has zero or very little value, the value of the damages in the taking case will not only be the value of the property that's lost, but if the uneconomic remnant has no value, they're also effectively going to have to pay you what the value of that property was before, even though you're going to be able to keep it after the taking occurs. One of the things I frequently have to educate property owners about is the fact that if they have an uneconomic remnant, they can still get compensated and be paid for the value of that remnant without having to be forced to have to turn over the title to that property to the condemning authority. A lot of people don't understand that, but that's how the law of eminent domain works. So property owners need to be vigilant about the fact that if they do have an uneconomic remnant, it is not necessary for them to actually have to convey that parcel to the condemning authority to be able to be entitled to recover the full value of the whole property that they had beforehand in an eminent domain proceeding.